Hey dear folks, I'm Sia from Lonsdor. Today we use K518 Pro to program 2016 Infiniti Q70L Smart Key.
Add a smart key to this car. What we need to be prepared for is K518 Pro, OBD communication cable, an original car key, and a new smart key made by our Lonsdor. Now, plug in OBD communication cable. Select smart key generation. Choose Infiniti Q70L. Select the first menu. Put the new smart key produced by Lonsdor into the card slot. Click Generation. Generate successfully. Click OK. Return to main menu. Select IMO and remote. Infiniti. Select from type, smart key. Select 4-bit PIN code. Without key slot PUSH button 2. Read the BCM inner code. Note that this function requires Wi-Fi connection. Click OK. Click OK if the BCM code is successfully read. Select Unlock Steering Lock. Remove all smart keys from the car. Press the Start button. Turn on hazard light. Click OK. Select a new PIN code. Unlocking successfully. Click OK. Select Program Smart Key. Remove all smart keys from the car. Press the Start button. Open the hazard lights and click OK. The steering lock has been unlocked. Click OK. Take a smart key to be programmed closer to Start button and wait till the security light off. Finish. Click OK. Program successful. Continue to program the next one. OK. Turn off the ignition. OK. Put another smart key to be programmed closer to Start button and wait till the security light off. Done. Click OK. Program successful. Whether it program the next one, click Cancel. Hold the back of the program smart key closer to Start button and start car. First key. Second key. Finish. Click OK. The program is complete. Now let's try it. New key. Step on the brake and press the Start button. New key to start the car successfully. The original car key. Step on the brake and press the Start button. The original car key was successfully started. Let's try again to see if the remote control is normal. The original key locks the car. Unlock. The new key to lock the car. Unlock. Remote control is normal.
We have programmed Smart Key for 2016 Infiniti Q70L. Stay tuned as we continue to innovate more surprise ahead.